Today's video is to move some trees around. I got a new peach tree and I want it where the old crabapple tree is. I'm hoping I can save the crabapple tree by moving it to the spot where a maple tree is pretty much dying and it's going to have to be removed. Obviously there's going to be a lot of roots involved, and this could be a big problem because the trees don't like having their roots messed with that much, and I don't have a big piece of equipment, I just have myself, and it's going to take a lot of work. We'll see if we can do it and see if the trees survive. Before I start digging, let's show you our subjects. First of all, here's the peach tree, and it's obviously something that has been in a pot for a bit, lost some leaves, but it'll survive, I'm sure. Then, our final subject, which is the one that's least likely to survive, is this poor crabapple tree. I moved it there when it was little because it's beautiful. It gives a nice spring flower, and I like that. This will be the spot where a tree will grow, and in the spring we'll have pretty white flowers. Be a good spot right here. This will be the center. I'll dig around here. When you're this close to a tree, you're going to see much bigger roots. And you see that? There's some big roots in there that have to be chopped in order to get in the smaller tree. Now, digging the hole next to the maple tree was very hard. It had some big roots. Taking this, I mean, this is how big it is. I can fit my fingers around it, but just barely. You got to imagine that the roots are going all around here and very big below this. So this may not be possible. I'm going to give it my best shot, see what happens. Well, before I lose light, I want to let you see a little bit of what I've done here. I've dug into the ground and exposed the roots, but the tree is still stuck in there pretty good. I couldn't move it at all when I started, pushing back and forth. It didn't give at all. I'll show you what it does now. There's some movement, but it's not going to come out like this. I'll try it again tomorrow. See if I can figure out which roots are still holding it on.
What is that?
It's basically a crowbar.
Okay. It's a crowbar? Is that a crowbar?
I've taken out,
so cool.
taken out bushes with it before.
The park that I used to go to, Sunset Heights, there's a bunch of trees going under the slides and under the playground for some reason.
What
trees going under the slides?
Yeah, they're growing under the slides. So I'm taking them out.
sweating a lot.
How'd you get all this stuff?
Took a little break to do some shopping, and now we can have a look at the tree from about the perspective that we last saw it. You can see that it's in the ground, and it is it's probably going to grow. It's doing all right. Hi, Jameson. And Jameson helped me. He's up in the kitchen now, but he helped me a little bit, put some dirt on there. Seemed like we needed more. I don't know how that's possible with putting something in a hole that I dug before, but it didn't seem like there was enough land. So anyway, I balanced out the tree by putting in some of the logs that are there, and actually put a root back in under the tree. Now we've got a big hole up near the front yard, and that is going to get our new peach tree. I'm going to go in and change, and then I'll come back out and then plant that. We're at the final part of the journey. Going to put a hole here and drop our new tree into the ground right there. Well, we started with a crab tree where we didn't want it, and a peach tree in a bucket. Now we have a peach tree in a great place where the crab tree was, and we managed to actually save the crab tree to put it out in the back where a maple tree will be taken out. We did it. I didn't think it would happen at one point, but I persevered, kept working on those roots of that crab tree, and we took it down. So that's it for this episode. Till next time, hey, and give us a like and share, please.